Here we've got our 65 Cooper S project. It's got a lot of new metal on it. A lot of rust repair has been done, but still clearly needs to be finished. And it's got all sorts of parts that come with it. It's also originally a hydroelastic car, so we've got hydroelastic subframes, as well as the rear hydro control arms. Has a set of Cooper S 4.5 by 10-inch wheels. Lots of odds and ends that go along with the motor, which is in need of a rebuild. It is a Cooper S 1275. Has all the correct numbers, but needs a full rebuild, which we do have pretty much everything for, all laid out in bags. Lots of brand new parts as well as used parts that you should be able to make. Complete engine out of rebuilt head, gauge cluster, and then also all of the hydroelastic suspension balloons come with it. They're all in pretty darn good shape, as well as the Cooper S dual carb setup and a few other goodies that go along with the motor. And that's that.
65 Mark 1 Cooper S Almond Green twin tank. Walk around here. This one's a little rough. Someone tried to replace these rather poorly. Same on both sides. Got a good sized hole here. Another poor pass job. All the way this way, that way. Back to here. More not great patching. Same on this side. All the way around. Looks like the whole floor was tried to replace, but you can see didn't do the best job. Same on both sides. New tunnel, but didn't bother to make it fit. A few rust holes back here. Patched over there, not very well. Also patched there, not very well. That's about it.